So, you're looking to study abroad? And you want to go to a country that will offer a wide variety of experiences and exciting work opportunities? Well, Canada might just be the perfect fit for you. With breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cities, and lively cultures, Canadians enjoy a quality of life that is one of the best in the world. We are renowned for our competitive and entrepreneurial economy. Our society is safe and multicultural, which makes Canada the perfect study destination, no matter who you are or where you're from. Plus, we have one of the best education systems in the world. Did you know that 10% of Canadian universities rank in the top 200 best universities worldwide? And since our institutions are publicly funded, high-quality education is consistent across the country. Canada offers more than 15,000 undergraduate and graduate degree programs across the country, and over 8,000 college diplomas, postgraduate certificates, or applied degrees. If you want to hit the labor market quickly, you'll also find a wide range of hands-on programs that will help you do just that. Not sure about your career path? Our Canadian education institutions make it easy for students to switch between study programs. To top that, Canada offers unmatched working opportunities. While many study destinations don't allow international students to work during their studies, in Canada, you can work off-campus for up to 20 hours per week and full-time during school breaks. Looking to stay in Canada after your studies? You should know that Canada provides a variety of work permits and immigration programs only available to international graduates, making it easier for you to work and stay in Canada after graduation. Now you're telling me, that's awesome, but how can I find the right education institution for me? It's simple. Just visit EduCanada.ca and browse the list of college and university programs to find the program that's right for you. A bright future is at your fingertips. Come study in Canada. A world of possibilities awaits.